Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, how are you all? Hope you are perfectly safe and sound. Students, as you know, we have finished unit number 4, 5 and 6. And I checked your Google online test. You all had prepared very well for the test. Well done and keep it up. Okay students, today we are going to start new lesson number 7. Allah made the first man. Okay, start reading with me. Number 1 is Allah has created the first man. Created mean made. Allah made the first man. His name was Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Allah has created the first woman. Her name was Amma Hawwa alayhi salam. Okay, now tell me the name of first prophet name. Yes, very good, Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, and mother Amma Hawwa alayhi salam. Very good. Allah kept Adam alayhi salam and Hawwa alayhi salam in a garden of Jannah before they were sent to earth. Dear students, today I want to tell you an interesting story of our great grandparents. Grandparents? Tell me their names. Yes, Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and Amma Hawwa alayhi salam. Okay. So before coming to this earth, they lived in Jannah. They were very happy over there. But the devil, Shaitan, cheated them and offered an apple. God had asked them not to eat the fruit of that tree. So they were sent to the earth as a punishment. Students, why they were sent to the earth? As they were very happy. They were sent to the earth because they disobeyed Allah's command, Allah's order. Allah asked them not to eat fruit of that tree, but they ate. Okay, all the humans on the earth come from Adam alayhi salam. But all the humans are not the same. Some believe in Allah and all His messengers, and they are called Muslims. Some humans do not believe in Allah and His messengers, and they are called non-Muslims. Allah wants us to be good Muslims. In return for all His favors, He wants us to obey Him. So students, the lesson we have learnt from the topic is that we should obey Allah's order. Because if we disobey Him, then Allah will become angry with us, and if we will follow Allah's order, He will be very happy with us and He will reward us more. तो प्यारे बच्चों, हमें चाहिए कि हम अल्लाह और प्यारे नबी की प्यारी बातों पर अमल करें. Okay. Now, those who recite kalma will be rewarded. Those who will recite kalma will be rewarded. Read kalma with me. La ilaha illallahu Muhammadur Rasulullah. Again repeat with me. La ilaha illallahu Muhammadur Rasulullah. Tell me the importance of kalma. Students, you know, it is the most important article of faith. When we recite the kalma, we say that we believe in one Allah and the last prophet. Okay? Now, this is your homework. Do reading practice at least twice. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.